Dhansiri Hawaralong Jangthukang Sirasai ke claim ponjia phan Karbianglong Autonomous Council pen Oil India Limited ang bong lamdon chetok pontanglo. La sojok hadak ke dwara ratum thangna ke sung ke phopeda jia phanpura Dhansiri Youth Association hin pen kidam thang phaikuni thop ke barni DPC ke esa hemalong phirang ke bai kang ni pon. Karbianglong district arwalong lapusona sai ke teng pona bangke isi ke mesena lamlo. Sedame bang sojang thukang sirasai ke chengpen hadak ke dwara jasemet doldoli Dhansiri ke dwara ratuma phan thangna ke sung ka vedya phan mathasi DYA hamphanga song atumpen prek jamason Karbianglong Autonomous Council pen Oil India Limited atuma phan ke hang padupon.
First time Karbianglong will have such a work being done in the district. However, sir, there are also fear and uncertainties among the people living in the area where the work is to be carried out. Therefore, at this time, we are aim to ensure that the MOU signed between KAAC and Oil India Limited does not have any negative impact on the life of the locals. We at DYA would like to make the following points of demand before you and your authority.
Bangsolong ke jongpon lake hadagara ratuma phan prabchin pen ake joylong lipata piponangji. Oil India Limited atuma hin pen CSR ateng pen tovar pen chenglok sekachelang hem school pen network setame piponangji pusi DYA pen ke hang padupon.
Number 7. The entire area of 396 square kilometers should be declared as restricted area. Number 8. Protections of farming land. The agricultural land of the people should not be affected by oil drilling work. Special restrictive measures are employed to prevent risks of safety of the land right and also livelihood to the people. Thank you.
Lasonsi hadake dora ratum ame thanglong leke do tengpen tangka prabjin pen piponangji. La pen penang analam DYA mai phu jirjarhan se pen ke hang padupon.
Botala dak the Dhansiri dololi hitu arab atuma phan isi khirklong konsil pen thangnap alam chang itu kelong panabela ala dak All India Limited atum kepaklang kon GPS ame pelong bangke 396 square kilometer abangke latum area operation lo pusela tum baklang kon stame hala dak 396 square kilometer arlo revenue village atum a future pupilo ke manpo bangso puthak kladak alam ni tunon puta long lela lapen ke haladak forest area long bangke All India Limited atum 5.6 hectare abangke latum land allotment and law forest department atum land allotment and law stamila revenue village a long list just po pilo ke manpo lalo la simil tu Karbianglong Autonomous Council atum hanki bukan tu bangke the 396 square kilometer are located la sare diction are located revenue village puno forest village puno la kedo are lo tumhan an banke equal land competition at nangi
Bangso phirang ke amailong kadu kave soner ke ba kemang paduponlo. News report long sodaring ti Karbianglong live.